N400 interview. Here is a case of U.S. citizenship interview denial. The USCIS officer did not approve his N400 application. Please watch this video fully to know why. Number P20, Mr. Nam Van Nguyen.
Hi, I am here.
Good morning, Mr. Nam. I'm Officer Ava, and I will be giving your interview today.
Good morning, officer. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Follow me, please.
Sure.
Please come in and have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Can I see your appointment letter, your green card, and your state-issued ID, please?
Sure, officer. Here they are.
Okay, before we start, I'll have to place you under oath. Please stand up and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down and sit down again.
Thank you.
Before we begin the interview, I need to take your picture. Please sit straight and look at the camera for me. Next, I also need to collect your fingerprints. Can you put your left index finger on the reader? Perfect. Now please change to your right index finger. Have you been waiting a long time to speak with me?
No, just 20 minutes.
Did you have any problems getting here today?
No, it's quite easy.
How did you get here today?
I came here by car.
Do you know how to use a tablet?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any questions before we start?
Yes, I need to make a few changes since submitting my application form. Should I let you know now?
It's okay. I'll go through the application form later, and when we get to that section, please bring up those changes.
Okay, thank you.
Why do you want to become a United States citizen?
Because I want to vote.
Are you feeling prepared for your interview?
Yes, I've been studying a lot.
Good. Now we're going to do the civics test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government?
To print money.
Correct. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
Good. When do we celebrate Independence Day?
July 4.
Great. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States?
Pacific Ocean.
Correct. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Good. What does the President's Cabinet do?
Advises the President.
Great. You passed the civics test. Let's do the English reading and writing test now. Read the sentence on the tablet in front of you, please.
Who is on the dollar bill?
Now I'm going to read a sentence. Please write the sentence down on the tablet for me. Washington is on the dollar bill. Washington is on the dollar bill. Excellent. You passed the English reading and writing test too.
Thank you.
Now, let's review your N400 application. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What is your full name?
My full name is Nguyen.
Is this the same name on your green card?
Yes, it is.
Have you had any other name?
No.
Would you like to legally change your name?
Yes, I would.
Please write your new name on this paper sheet. Tell me your date of birth.
November 27, 1984.
What is your phone number?
612-745-5254.
What is your social security number?
697-899465.
What is your current address?
I moved to another address after I submitted the application form.
It is okay. What's your new address?
6319 State Avenue, Sacramento, California 95823.
Did you file the AR-11 form?
No, I didn't realize that I need to do that.
You need to fill out that form within 10 days whenever you move.
Okay, I will do that next time when I move.
Okay, let me update this.
Thank you, officer.
Is this also your mailing address?
Yes,
When did you start living at that address?
I started living at that address on May 8, 2020.
Where did you live before moving to that address?
I lived in Texas before.
Did you become a permanent resident based on your marriage?
No, my father sponsored my green card and brought me to the US.
When did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident on September 24, 2018.
Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No.
Where do your parents live?
Vietnam.
Are you a Hispanic, Latino, or Asian?
I am Asian.
What is your country of birth?
My country of birth is Vietnam.
You are a citizen of Vietnam, correct?
Correct.
Are you currently employed?
Yes.
What is your current job?
I am a construction supervisor at Carwell Construction.
How long have you worked there?
About 3 years.
Have you worked somewhere else in the last 5 years?
Yes, I work at Texas Southern Construction, but I forgot to list it on my citizenship application. Can you please update it?
I will update this, but I'll have some questions regarding your old job. What did you do for that company?
I am a construction engineer.
How long did you work for that company?
About 3 years.
When did you work for that company?
May 9, 2016.
When did you leave that company?
June 1st, 2019.
What is your marital status?
I am married.
How many times have you been married?
2 times.
Please tell me your current wife's legal name.
Lan Anh Phạm.
What is her date of birth?
July 23rd, 1988.
Is she a U.S. citizen?
No, she is not a US citizen.
How many times has your current wife been married?
On time.
On what date did you get married to your current wife?
August 2nd, 2012.
Did you get married in the U.S.?
No, I got married in Vietnam.
Did you bring your marriage certificate with you?
Yes, here it is.
Do you currently live with your spouse?
Yes, I currently live with my wife.
Do you and your spouse live at the current address?
Yes, we currently live together at the current address.
What is your spouse's country of origin?
Vietnam.
Do you have a cat or dog?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Ted.
Do you have a joint bank account with your spouse?
No, we don't have a joint bank account.
Do you have any joint documents with your spouse, such as lease or mortgage or car insurance?
Yes, I have a joint car insurance, but I left it in my car.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one girl.
Please tell me your girl's name and her birth date.
Her name is Nguyen and her birthday is February 14, 2014.
Is she a biological child to you?
Yes, officer.
On the application form, it says you traveled outside the United States 2 times in the past 5 years. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
How many total days were you outside of the U.S. during the last 5 years?
62 days.
Did you stay outside the U.S. for more than 6 months during any of the trips?
No.
Please tell me about your most recent trip.
I went my country in order to visit my parents.
When did you leave the U.S.?
I left the US on January 27, 2023.
Do you remember the date you returned to the United States?
Yes, I do. I came back on April 4, 2023.
Did you go with your spouse on this trip?
Yes, we went together.
Now we move on to the next section of the N400 form. Did you ever claim to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote in the United States?
No.
Do you have any unpaid or overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No.
Have you filed taxes jointly with your spouse in the past 3 years?
Yet we file taxes jointly.
Did you bring your joint tax returns today?
No, I did not print it today. I'm sorry, I left it at home.
Have you called yourself a non-U.S. resident on any tax returns since you got your green card?
No.
What is a non-U.S. resident?
A person who does not live in the US.
Have you ever been a member of the Communist Party or a terrorist organization?
No.
Have you ever been a patient in a mental institution?
No.
Did you ever receive any type of military, paramilitary, or weapons training?
No.
Have you ever used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No, never.
What is a weapon?
An object such as a knife, gun, or bomb.
Did immigration police ever take you to a place like a prison?
No.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government by force or violence?
No, never.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics?
No.
What are controlled substances?
I'm sorry, I understand, but I cannot explain this right now.
All right. Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No.
What is a habitual drunkard?
Someone who drinks too much alcohol regularly.
Do you believe in religious freedom?
Yes.
Have you ever married someone to get immigration benefit?
No.
What is an immigration benefit?
Things like a visa, green card, or citizenship.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
What is the oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
Did you ever sell, give, or provide weapons to someone or help someone sell, give, or provide weapons to any person?
No.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is a civilian direction?
A reaction from a person who is not in the military.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
All right. Please review your updated information and check your new name to see if everything is correct. Let me know if you find something that needs to be corrected.
Everything looks good to me.
Good. Please sign the last page for me. And then review the words to the oath of allegiance and sign, please. This is your result. I cannot approve your application today since you need to submit more essential documents and evidence to support your application. We will mail you instructions on how to submit it. Do you understand or do you have any questions at this point?
I'm good. I don't have any questions.
Great, I will walk you out.
Thank you.
Thank you and good luck, everyone. Please subscribe to our channel for more.